Madam Speaker, I rise to respond to the Honorable Attorney General and Minister for Economy's National Budget Address for the 2017 and 2018 fiscal year delivered in this August House on the evening of August 29th of June 2017. But first, Madam Speaker, please allow me to congratulate the Honorable Minister, the government, and the responsible citizens of this country from all walks of life who committedly responded to the national call and determined, passionate to participate and share their ideas, views and sentiments on a wide range of issues, life experiences, situations, gaps and needs, which I firmly believe significantly reflected the outcome of the public consultations conducted nationwide for this budget before and its first reading in Parliament as Appropriation Bill 2017. Madam Speaker, as the Minister for Economy rightly stated, this budget encapsulates our government's focus, which has always been to empower Fijians, raise our productive activity capacity, and unlock our true potentials, ensuring that we all share the prosperity, empowering those of the margins of society, our youths, our women, our disabled persons, our senior citizens, and every Fijians. Madam Speaker, this budget has this vision and impetus for sustainably long-term development planning that is strategic and forward-looking. It aims to progressively fulfill the Fiji First government's ultimate goal of transforming the Fijian economy, consistently making it stronger with the right policy mix in a given time frame. Our government continues to demonstrate strong, decisive, and visionary leadership that is true to its words and accelerating our GDP growth, tripling our revenue since 2006, heightening foreign reserves to remarkable record high that is indicative of the quality and level of both domestic and international investor confidence, then continuously thriving and offering opportunities and space for all Fijians to stably live a life of their choice as well as taking control over it. Madam Speaker, the message is clear. The Fiji First government is determined and will continue to walk the talk of ensuring balanced development and economic empowerment by shifting its focus to the well-deserved to be assisted. Madam Speaker, being assigned the portfolio of Government Assistant Minister for Rural and Maritime Development, I am elated to inform this House on the impact of the commitment shown by our Honourable Prime Minister, the government ministers, and government backbenchers who periodically or regularly paid visits and worked very hard with public servants to address